Pausing your YouTube TV subscription is a great way to save money when you're not watching regularly, without losing your account settings, recordings, or preferences. Here's how you can pause your membership in just a few steps. Step 1. Open YouTube TV Start by opening the YouTube TV app on your phone, or visit tv.youtube.com on your computer. Make sure you're signed in with the correct Google account. Step 2. Go to Settings tab or click on your profile icon in the top right corner. From the menu, select Settings. Step 3. Open Membership. Next, choose Membership. This section shows your current plan, billing date, and available add-ons. Step 4. Select Pause Membership. Scroll down until you see the option Pause or Cancel Membership. Click on it. YouTube TV will offer a slider where you can choose how long to pause your subscription, anywhere from 4 weeks to 24 weeks. Select the duration that suits you. Step 5. Confirm after choosing your pause length. Click Pause to confirm. Your billing will stop during this period, and you won't be charged until your subscription resumes. That's it. Your account stays safe, your recordings remain saved, and you can resume your membership anytime with one click.